Hello everyone and welcome to my new tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily share a Google Drive link on Instagram, whether it is large video files, photos, or other files that you cannot send directly. Just follow my steps and in just a few minutes you will know how to do it without any problems. So first, find and open your Google Drive app. Once you're inside, select the folder or file you want to share, and then tap the three dots next to the file or folder you selected. The steps are the same for folders, photos, documents, and everything else. Now, in the menu that appears, find and select the Manage Access option. After that, you can choose who can view this file. You can set it so that anyone with the link can access the file. This means that anyone who gets the link will be able to open it. You can also set the access to Restricted. If you choose Restricted, only specific people you add using their email addresses will be able to access the file. Even if someone else has the link, they won't be able to open it unless you specifically give them permission. This is a great option if you want to keep sensitive documents or private files secure and only share them with a selected group of people. Once you choose the access level, tap Copy Link in the top right corner. The link is now ready to share. You can open Instagram, go to your chat with friends, colleagues, or family members, and paste the link directly into the conversation. They will be able to click the link and view or download the file depending on the permissions you set. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you very soon.